Hello, what's up YouTube family, it's your boy again, forex, and guess what guys, in today's video I'm actually going to be talking about 3 things that actually helped me become a profitable trader, or actually pushed me towards becoming a profitable trader. Guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Glory George, but I'm known as forex. Please subscribe to this channel, and also guys, I have a free Telegram community. So a free Telegram group where I share my trading signals and trading setups. So guys, if you want to join that free Telegram group, please, the link is in the description box of this video. Click on that Telegram, or click on that link so that you take it over to Telegram so that you can join my Telegram group. And guess what guys, those trade setups that actually sent to my Telegram this week, they were smashing take profits. So I'm sure you don't want to miss it. Join right away. Guys, let's just get straight into the video. So guys, I made a post on YouTube about my belly, and then someone actually commented on that post saying that I should make a video on how I became a profitable trader, and also proving strategies that works. This is to tell you guys, I actually go through all of your comments and I read and also reply your comments. So if you have any forex trading related content idea that actually want me to make a video about, please let me know down there in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, let me know down there also in the comment section. So guys, let's just get straight into the video. So guys, the first thing I actually did is sticking to just GBP. Sorry, just sticking to just one pair. Guys, I trade only GBP USD. Guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that if you're trading more than one pair, you're trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, you're not going to become profitable. No, I've seen a lot of traders that are actually profitable, trading more than one pair, trading 4, 5, 6 pairs, or more than 7. I've seen a lot of traders who are profitable doing that. Guys, I'm not saying that it doesn't work, but I'm actually making this point based on what has worked for me. Sticking to just one pair. And guys, it's not easy. Sticking to just one pair actually takes a lot of discipline. I can remember the time that I actually made a decision to just stick to GBP USD. At times I'll say I want to stick to GBP USD, and then something will start speaking to me that, oh, you're missing money in the other pair. Let me add those pairs back. I'll add those pairs. Later on, I'll remove those pairs. Later on, I'll add inconsistency, and that shows lack of discipline. Let's remove trading. In life, you actually need discipline. Now let's bring it over to trading again. You need discipline as a forex trader. And guys, since the day I actually started trading GBP up to this very time, guys, I've seen spontaneous results. I've seen like it has been going up like this, guys, because I'm sticking to just GBP. I'm sticking to just one pair. My win rate, my hit rate has been high, guys. Guys, all the trades I sent to my Telegram group this week, we are smashing take profit, guys. And also guys, let me tell you guys a secret. The reason why over 90% of forex traders actually make it in forex is because they are over trading. They feel like every day they actually open up their phone screen or they open up their laptop screen, they need to take a trade. They need to trade, and that's why at the end of the day they take a lot of trade. And guys, when you take a lot of trade, you end up taking some trades with your emotion, which is very bad, guys. You're trading with your emotion because you feel like, oh, you must trade, oh, you need to trade. You keep over trading. And how you want to become profitable if you're over trading? Guys, you need to take less trades, and sticking to just one pair is going to make you take less trade. Sticking to just one pair also is going to make you focus as a forex trader. Now let's remove forex out of this. I'm a student and I have less time to actually focus on the chart. So I want a scenario whereby when I just come back from school, I'm turning off my chart, I'm just focusing on one thing. I'm not tapping on GBP looking over to USD card. No, I'm a student, so I need to be focused. So GBP USD or sticking to just one, it must not be GBP USD, but sticking to just one pair is actually making me a profitable trader, or actually made me a profitable trader. Guys, you need to stick to just one pair. And also guys, sticking to just one pair is actually going to make you master some type of candlestick pattern, or some type of chart pattern that actually works with that pair. Guys, there are some kind of chart pattern or candlestick pattern that I can see right now on GBP USD that's going to indicate or is actually going to tell me whether this market is going to go up or down. Why? Because I've seen this type of candlestick pattern actually happen before, actually present itself before in the charts on GBP USD. So focus, less trades, and mastering the pair is actually one of the advantages of trading just one pair. And also guys, it also comes with disadvantages, but guys, this actually worked for me, so I'm telling you guys the advantages. Guys, you need to stick to a pair. guys. But if you say you don't want to do it, fine, you can actually trade your multiple pairs, it's fine. And also again guys, I'm actually going to tell you guys this quote. I'm not good at coming quotes, guys, but I think this quote is actually from Bruce Lee. Please, if you know who actually said this quote, please let me know down there in the comment section. I'm not going to say this in words or in direct words with what the person actually said, but I'm going to paraphrase it in my own words. The person was trying to say, like, he doesn't fear a man who actually kills 100 men with 100 guns, but he fears a man who kills 100 men with one gun. So guys, what are we saying? Stick to just one pair. Guys, go and try this out. I know that it's actually going to be very difficult sticking to just one pair, but guys, you need to be disciplined in everything you do. Guys, be disciplined. Just add one pair. Try. If it works for you, fine, come back to this video and tell me, oh, SavvyFX, it worked for me. But if you say no, I want to trade my multiple pairs, then fine, you can trade your multiple pairs. So let's go straight to number 2. So number 2 is risk management. It still boils down to discipline. Guys, I can remember that time that I actually jumped in with forex trading. Guys, I didn't have a risk management approach or a risk management plan. You can see me today risking 0.5% of my account. You can see me risking today risking 1% of my account. You can see me risking 2%, 3%, 5% of my account. That was then, not now. Guys, even when I bought my first proprietary firm account, risk management was what made me blow my account. My second one, risk management. My third one, I think it was emotion and also kind of like risk management. I would say no, I'm risking 0.5% of my account today. Tomorrow 1%, the next tomorrow 3%, just like that, 2%. Like, guys, I'm not stable even on my live account, guys. This is what I used to do before. Guys, you need to be disciplined. Have a risk management plan. If you say no, I'm going to trade, I'm going to risk 1% of my account today, let it be what you're going to be using overall till, like, on that account, be risking just 1%, except you've seen an A+ setup that actually needs a higher risk. Then you can actually risk maybe 2% of your account or so on, according to your trading plan. Guys, you need to be disciplined. Have a risk management approach. Don't just show up every day on the chart and then you're risking 1% of your account today, tomorrow you're risking 3%, tomorrow you're risking 4%. Guys, it's not good. That's not a good habit of trading. You need to have a risk management plan and you need to follow it with core discipline. If it's 1% per risk 1%. Tomorrow, risk 1%. The next month, risk 1%. Guys, you need to be disciplined. Risk management actually plays a very vital and important role in your journey of becoming a profitable trader. Let me say that today I actually place a trade risking 1% of my account, and then that trade goes against me. I'm down 1% of my account. Now tomorrow I see another trade, and then I risk same 1% of my account on that same pair I'm trading, which is GBP/USD, and then that trade goes in my direction. Know that that profit actually made that day is actually going to cover up for the loss I made the other day. It still boils down to risk management. Guys, you should be able to manage your risk. Have a risk management approach. Don't just come up every day risking random percentage of your account. Guys, if you see you're risking 1% of your account, risk 1% of your account. Don't risk more than 1% of your account again. Don't risk 2% of your account. Don't risk 3% of your account, because that's a bad habit of trading. It all boils down to discipline and following your trading plan. Now let's get to number 3. Number 3 is actually what I've been talking about from the beginning of this video right till this very point in time. Guys, discipline. You need to be disciplined. In life, you need to be disciplined. I, as a student, I need to be disciplined too with my studies, because I'm trying to balance forex trading and my studies. Trying to balance them. So I need to be disciplined. I don't want a case or a scenario whereby the time I need to be studying physics, chemistry, mathematics, or geography, any other subject, that's the time I'll be using to focus on the chart. Or the time maybe I need to use and focus on the chart, that's what I'll use in reading my books. Guys, you need to be disciplined. Guys, discipline. I know a lot of you guys already know the meaning of discipline, so I'm just going to explain discipline in my own words. Guys, as a forex trader, you need to have a trading plan. I can remember what my mentor always tell me. I'm trying to calm myself down. So let's get it. My mentor actually tells me every time that I should trade according to my plan. Actually, and he also tells me to plan my trade, and I should trade my plan. So guys, failure to plan is a plan to fail. So guys, before actually coming into forex trading, if you know you're a newbie and then you're watching this video, please have a trading plan. If you don't know how to create a trading plan, then you should actually get a mentor. A mentor is actually going to guide you on how to create a trading plan, a solid trading plan that's actually going to give you a solid edge in the market. But if you say, oh no, I can't actually afford I can't actually afford a mentor right now, I want to do it all by myself, then I'm actually gonna be telling you guys what should be included in your trading plan. What should be included in your trading plan are those pairs you're trading, the risk management, when you should go break even, the sessions you're going to be trading, your confirmation, your entry criteria, your exit criteria, your risk management, every other thing, your emotions, every other thing should be included in your trading plan. You can watch more videos on YouTube about trading plan or how to create a solid trading plan. So guys, I hope that this video has actually helped you or has actually inspired you to actually become a profitable trader. These are the three major things. A lot of things actually did behind to actually become a profitable trader, but these are the three things that I actually did that helped me become a profitable trader. The number one is just sticking to one pair. Number two is actually risk management, and number three is discipline. Discipline in everything you do in trading. You need to be disciplined. You need to be disciplined with your risk management. You need to be disciplined with your emotions. Don't let your emotions trade. You need to trade, guys. Make less decisions with your emotions, because your emotions are going to do you harm. Guys, trade less with your emotions. If you want to know more about how to manage your emotions trading, I know that there are a lot of videos, hundreds of videos on YouTube here talking about emotions and how to actually adjust your emotions so that you can start trading the right way, all for free here on YouTube. So discipline, risk management, and stick it to just one pair is what has actually helped me become a profitable trader. Guys, I've spent a lot of time actually making this kind of video. I've deleted a lot of videos because I actually want to make this video a gem for you guys. So please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and also guys, don't forget to join my free Telegram group where I share my trading setups. Guys, you need to be a profitable trader. So guys, I want you guys to follow these steps that I actually made mention of in this video, and actually come back to this video and tell me if they have actually worked for you. I'll catch you guys up in my next video. Peace out.